Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get Laura in Last Sea Survival Shooter. If you're aiming to unlock Laura in Last Sea Survival Shooter, there are two main paths: collecting her fragments or obtaining the full hero directly. Start by heading to the hero section in the bottom left corner of your screen, tap on Laura's character, and then select the plus icon at the bottom right. This will show you the Get More option, which lists all the ways you can acquire fragments. One of the primary methods is through recruiting. By going to the Recruit section, you see the odds of pulling heroes after fragments. For Laura, the chances are slim but possible, about 0.16% for the full hero and 0.33% for her fragments. Since you'll need 10 fragments to unlock her, persistence is key. Keep recruiting, try your luck, and if fortune is on your side, you'll eventually unlock Laura and add her to your roster as a powerful playable character in Last Sea Survival Shooter. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.